the occasion of International Women's Day. And as we know, women play very key role in anybody's life. And our life now is on tourism. So we all are happy that you people have taken time out and join us in exploring this place, as well as exploring the country in other way around to promote tourism. As you know, tourism is one of the key sector for many reasons: employment, economic growth, and all these things. So we all
this place, I started this about in 2019, late 19. We run it for about 3-4 months, and then because of COVID we had to close down. This is an armed forces theme park, the first of its kind in the country. The idea was to let civilians know how is the life of an army jawan. What you see in movies, Bollywood, that's a wrong depiction. It looks very sexy, with the AK-47 in hand and you're going around and all that, but that's not the case. It is very tough. You actually get rogered big time. Your life is on peril. You are physically, it's very demanding. At the same time, very mentally also very demanding. Now, I was born brought up Delhi. I never realized the seriousness in life till the time I went to army. Once I went to the army, it looked as if army ने एक डब्बे में डाल के घुमा के निकालते बाहर. I am suddenly a very changed person, very mature, very responsible. Now, if somebody can entrust you with the life of a person, there cannot be more responsibility. Money is one thing, property is another thing, but life, imagine. So when I came out, I realized people are still cribbing. छोटी चीज़ों के लिए you're fighting and cribbing. So my point was, how do I show them? How do I connect this bridge between the army and the civilians? I can't take all the civilians to the army cantonment. Army will not allow me. But can I create a mini cantonment here in the capital so that people can come down here, see, talk to the ex-servicemen, indulge into some activities which is typically military in nature, spend the whole day and go in the evening.
मैं आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ।
The replica of Bofors, it helped us to win the Kargil war. Bofors is known for wrong reason, but that's not the case. It's a very effective weapon. During the war, you have one weapon, but you have multiple magazines. आप उस समय नहीं भरोगे आप गोलियां, time नहीं होता इतना. You take out second one and start firing, third one start firing. There are times when the rod of the rifle it becomes so hot, जैसे वो fire में डाल दिया हो ऐसा. So that 20 kg you are ready always in the war, and then you carry a rifle with you, which is so 23.5 is what you carry always. So during my army training, I have run 40 kilometers with that 23.5 kg. 40 kilometers. So you can imagine
at one time.
What it is time. If you don't come on time, you will actually fail. You have to do it again.
So
and
how
we don't
many
do it on Delhi Jaipur highway. It is on the interior जहाँ road टूटे पड़े हैं, road है ही नहीं, पत्थर है, पानी नहीं है. Okay, you fall multiple times. आपके पैर में बार-बार चोट लग रहा है, अंधेरा हो रहा है. Fight in built-up areas like Taj and all that. Paras, they are trained to fight in jungles, the jungle warfare. So that's all.
यहाँ पर हम कुछ एक स्पेशल एक्टिविटीज़ आपको दिखाते हैं, जैसे नस्ल फ्लैग के बारे में. नस्ल फ्लैग को कब चढ़ाया जाता है, कैसे चढ़ाया जाता है, किस तरह उतारा जाता है, और जब उसको उतार के रखते हैं तो किस तरह से उसको फोल्ड करना चाहिए. और जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, बहुत ही कम लोगों को पता होता है कि जब हमारा फ्लैग पुराना हो जाता है तो उसको कैसे डिस्पोज किया जाए. तो ये सभी चीज़ आपको वहाँ दिखाएंगे. किड जोन.
ऐसा नहीं. अरे क्या नाम फॉर्मूला?
सामने देखे साहब, उस नेट के ऊपर से फेंकना. ओके, 1 2 3 वेरी गुड. दूसरा भी तरीका है इस तरह से, ये ऐसे भी क्रोस कर. फिर इसके पूरा बाहर निकल के वो अपने हथियार को एम करता है और आगे इनेमी को किल करता है। ये है इसका। ठीक है साहब।
जो ये पीछे इसको बट बोलते हैं, इसको अपने बगल में इस तरह से दबाना है, एक आंख बंद करनी है और इस तरह से, इसको बोलते हैं बैक साइड। तो बैक साइड के बीच में आप देखो एक वी कट बना हुआ है, इसमें से देखते हुए फोर साइड, ये देखो फोर साइड, बैक साइड से देखते हुए फोर साइड को अपने टारगेट के सेंटर में मिलाना है और ट्रिगर प्रेस करना है, आपकी गोलियां पूरी की पूरी उसको हिट होंगी। ओके, लास्ट में गेम खत्म होने के बाद दोनों टीम इसी तरह से यहाँ पर हम क्लोज करेंगे, फिर आपकी जो गोलियां लगी हुई होंगी उनको काउंट किया जाएगा। जिस टीम को ज़्यादा गोलियां लगी होंगी वो टीम लूजर और जिसको कम लगी होंगी वो टीम विनर मानी जाएगी।
Oh God! Oh my goodness! This is so horrible! Oh my God! This is start once you put your step on that, it starts like doing this.
ये सबसे इजी वाला, ये वाला।
Oh my God! आगे करती रहती है।